Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you how to make free word clouds with different shapes, and we'll be using this example here. We'll be using word art, which is a free service, and let's go to create. I've done a video already on all the different things you can do with this, all the different shapes and fonts and layout and things. So I'll put a link to that below this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a custom shape. So I'll go over to Icon Finder and I'll do a search for spaceship. I want to make sure that we can use it for free, so I'll click this free here, and if you like you can select something here. So if we're using it for commercial use, then select this one, and I think these look quite good. You can use them in your blog and in your social media. I think they attract people's attention. And another way would, if you're not using them for commercial use, let some kids make them during the holidays, the school holidays or something. So I found this one here. All these are free, but I do want something fairly simple, so I use this. If it's too complicated like this, it won't work. So I chose this one. Click on download. The PNG file is best, and that's downloaded. Let's go over to word art and we'll go to shapes and click here, add image. Browse for it, look at my downloads, and here's the shape. So let's double click. Here you can adjust some things, and you just got to practice what works. In this case, right up here works better, and up here. So we'll click OK, and let's just visualize that to check it. That's worked okay. Next thing we need to do is put some nice words on it. I'll delete these words. At the moment the default is just word art, but we don't need that, so I'm going to clear those. And then I'm going to go over to this place, microstockgroup.com tools, and I'll put a link to this below in the description. And I'll do a search for spaceship. Let's click all of those because they might have relevant words, and click submit, and that will just extract all of the words, the keywords that people have used on those images. Let's just select about 20 of these that fit. You can do more if you like. I think at least 20 is good. So I've got 20 there, and click on that. If you click on them, it highlights them. Then Control C will copy them, and then go back here, and I'll click on import words, put them in here, and click import. Let's just visualize that again. Looks pretty good. Let's just see if we want to make some changes with the fonts. This picture isn't very dark, especially this grey here is quite light, so I think it's good to choose some bold fonts. If you hold down the Control key, then can select all these bold ones, all the ones that look dark here, just to make sure that the image looks dark. I think that's enough. I'll also go to layout, and I'll choose a different one. In my last video I used this random, so in this one I use this one here, and let's click visualize. Yep, I'm happy with that. One thing I do like to do sometimes is if I go here, the number of words, I go on to define. And then this is used more than 600 words, and some of them are very small. And if you just bring this down, it deletes the very small words. And I think it just makes the image look a bit clearer. If you go too far, it's no good. But if you just come up a bit, maybe 150 to 200 words. Let's try that. I think that looks better. We can also just make the background stand out a bit more if we want. Let's have a look. If you do it too much, then you can't see the words. So we just make it where it stands out. Maybe that looks good in this case. I think that looks fine. I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to download it and click on this one. This is the free one, standard quality. So I've clicked download, and that's the new image. So as I say, I think for kids it would be quite good, but also you can use these in your blog and social media just to get people's attention. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and that will help other people to see it. I'll put any links to all of this in the description below, and I'll also make a transcription of this, put it on my blog together with some screenshots, and I'll put a link to that below as well. So thanks for watching. If you want other videos like this, then subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.